So how to add a blog to your Hostinger website using the website builder, and it's a really straightforward process. So I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial for you. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, show exactly what you need to do. Here we are on the website builder on Hostinger, and but first make sure you log in your Hostinger account. Just log in to your Hostinger account and go to the website builder, right? And once you are here in the website builder, select the website that you want to add a blog to and open the editor. So that's where I'm at. Here is the editor. And now what you're going to have to do is to basically decide, do you want a blog, a separate blog, like you can go here to pages and have, you want a page, and on that page you want to have a blog like so. I'll remove this one because I already have one. So I'll go here and click on delete. And now I don't have that there. And by the way, you can also click on the three dots here and hide from navigation. So now let's actually add the blog to our website. Okay, and now if you want to add your blog to your website, which you probably do because that's why you watch this video, you can click on here to add a blog. Click on this icon right over here. You're gonna see blog. Now here you have other elements like here there's other things, but here you have the elements. You can add elements to your section, and here you can see pages and navigation, website style, some AI tools, features we can use, and then here blog and store. You can also add store here, but let's focus on just on blog. But if it's your first time, that's probably what you're gonna see. You're gonna see this, start writing a blog, and you can click on here to start a blog. But in my case, I already added, so that's why it's not showing you me that panel. It's showing me this one. But once you add, you're gonna see this panel. And from here, first, I'd like to show you how you can add this blog as a page here. You know, we have home, we have a page for tutorials. I've created this, home, and that. So we can add this to our header. So what we're gonna have to do here is to click on pages and menu, and then here we can add a new page. So let's click on here, page, add page. And then when you click on here, add page, we have so many options. We can add a about, contact, services, projects, privacy, and refund policy, terms and conditions. But we can also add a new empty page, or we can even use generate page. So this will generate a page for you, just based on your prompt that you're gonna add, that you're gonna paste here, that you're gonna write here. You can see an example here. But what we want is a blog. So I'm gonna click on blog and then select blog, and now we have a new page called blog. We can name this how we want. Check my blog, but don't don't write that. Okay, here page URL, and also you can hide this page if you want. Social image, when people will share your page, your blog, there's no image, but you can add an image from here. Add blog. I'll add this one, and then the password. If you want to protect this page using a password, you can enable password, and then you can enter the password here. I'm gonna write password. I know, very creative. And here I'll click on save. You can also customize this, which is pretty cool. And you can use, instead of a design, you can use some text, but I like this design. And now if I click on preview here, and people would like to visit this page, they're gonna actually have to type the password. So now here, let's go back. You can also have this icon that is password protected. So I'm gonna go back to settings here. So let's click on rename here and password, and I'll just turn this off. So yeah, now we do not have a password. So here, password, I forgot to save, sorry. So now if you want to make that, we are still talking about pages. If you want to make a drop down to make this home, to add this blog underneath this home page, make a drop down, you just need to drag from here and drag underneath, like move like now underneath the home page, and now is actually a drop down. Okay, super. Now we can add another page if you want to, but I would like to show you now. Now inside this blog, we have our blog, the text. We can have a section here with a text called with the text that you can type whatever text you want. And we have a section, small section here. I can add now another section from here, and here select blog. Okay, so we want to have here our blog post, but we don't have any blog posts here. So we can click on blog here, and then here we have a draft. So we can click on the three dots here and publish. And now my blog, we have this blog, right? But if you want to add a new blog, you can click on add new post from here, add a new post. And now you can use AI to create a blog. So let's say, all right, I need a blog post that is about how to create I don't know, how to restart iPhone. And you can say change the tone from here and also the length of the content. And I'll click on generate. You can also skip this and you can write it yourself. Start from scratch and just write the blog yourself. Now we're gonna wait for this. You can also, change the length. I'll just, you can even, now we have our blog. We can click on here, edit text. We can edit the blog, highlight, highlight the text and then add the italic, underline, change the style, custom this, add a heading 1 or heading 2. And now here we have the conclusion. So that's actually the blog. And we have a blog here. So here's the blog. Now I can click on here and it's not showing because it's a draft. So I can go back here and it's a draft. Can make this, publish this. We have also post settings here. We can add the post description, change the post URL, post the author, also add the author here. We can also schedule the post from here, which is pretty helpful. Also the schedule, the featured image. So we can add the featured image. People will share this blog on social media, so it's cool to have a featured image, of course, and also the category. So we can add a new category here, iPhone tutorials, let's say. I'll save this. Now I have a new category based on this post. And you can also click on the three dots here, and from here you can add a new category. Let's say Samsung tutorials here. And now you can add more categories here if you want, or you can just edit this category, or delete or duplicate, or just delete it, right? Now we can schedule here. As I said before, you can schedule if you want, you can duplicate. And here you also have from here to schedule, as I said before. And now you're gonna check here, you have this is schedule post. And if you don't want to, you can just let's say post settings and disable this. And now if you want, you can also create multiple pages. If you want to have like other pages too, like about the project, whatever you want, you can do that. And your blog can be on one of these pages. You can add a blog section to any page you want. So basically here on the home page, or I can click on pages and navigation here and add a new page. And this, let's say this is an empty page. And on this empty page, you can add a new section. And this is again an add a section, but we're gonna add here a blog, right? So now here we can change what kind of like the section you want. We'll add this blog, and here you can edit this blog list, of course, the style, dark, or however you want. You can also have a video behind this blog, an image, or a color. Color you select from here. The image you add for image from here, and then you can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity. Also, you also have a video, right? So manage post, only show some post. You also have that option from here. Let's say I only want to have this category, iPhone category here, and style here. You can just stylize this section. But now let's actually, I would like to see all the posts here. So I'll disable this. And also you can see, click on edit post from here. And now I'll go back to this empty page, which I didn't name. So make sure you click on here and you rename this. And let's say this is just maybe a category, a page for only tutorials about. So this is, sorry, this is just a page about tutorials for iPhone tutorials. Let's say a page dedicated only for that. And you have this section here with that. Sorry, this one here. Maybe you can add another section, add a blank section, and then you're gonna move from here, move up. And from here now, of course, you can click on this page, add a section. You can add a color, an image, a video, or you can go here, add element, and add a text here. Of course, it's gonna look better. Maybe you can write here tutorials only tutorials for iPhone, let's say. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you have questions about the Hostinger website builder, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.